So today, you'll learn how to add a location tag to a photo on your OnePlus 13. So adding location tags to your photo just basically gives you a location for that specific image was taken. So for example, if you took an image next to a lake and you want to preserve that location, then adding this tag can be incredibly important, especially if you want to go back to that place or you just want to keep it as a memory. So in order for you to add a tag to your location tag to your photo, you need to start by launching the camera app. Once you've launched the camera app, you want to tap on this menu icon in the top right corner, and then you want to select Settings. Under Settings, you should see this option, Add Location Tags. So currently it's disabled, which is why whenever you take any photos and you go to view the app details, you can't see the location in this list of details. So in order for you to add the location, just go back, and then you want to enable this Add Location Tags, like that. Once it's been enabled, now whenever you take a photo and you view the photo details, you should be able to see location listed right under the section time and on top of dimensions. So here you have the location for that specific image. And so that's how you can add a location tag to photos on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.